Ya mo ache mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade eso de adu so no ye Badwam kase ensama etodwa wo mu bi ya obetini MPP amanyoko no esekwan a OSP edura Ken Oforiata efaso na nyane kwa paso eno no ye de honsam no ebebro na afi yakwa akohye de ekuokuma wo mrahye bedwafie mu hunu ne sei political attacks bi na ekoso wo ma famu no nso no enyane kwan so no sansam no ene nsama hodo bi ena no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwadomonline.com and same way any bebre so ewo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mienti said en sam ni chiremu ankasa etie MPP amanyoko no ene edi tudwa se OSP ekwan a wode owura Ken Oforiata kanefu to send him my Ghana faso no nyame ni mu ni enye ne kwampaso no won aye nsentwefo nhia mu no de nsama hudwe etudwa
Ken Oforiata lawyer for etrobre o se ewo mu watu kwan kra che kikakọ besumu ni enu watu kwan enti no o hwe na mpomu de na yaresa enti obo beba o si da bi wonto ho ase enti no omomfa ebre a beba emra omukan ya na afi hospital krampa yewura Ken Oforiata wo no omuto okrata ede bre wo se aha no wo hwehwe na abehu no wa ha yewura special prosecutor embeka asem yenti a wose wo hwehwe yewura Ken Oforiata wo hu no na eno na ya asefem sanse ya kase obi dwane afiri mra wana se nipa no hwehwe na ekira kwan kra wo hu no wayira na chi yewura Ken Oforiata ekọ wasere kwan okoye wasa atro krata asasere kwan ohonso ne na lawyer for di kwan edi nsawoso wasa kra the hospital a okono kra krata asakwa koma wo
enrich no Henry na bochi san nsem we say tudwa
yero mahama ebra oba ye hu se utwa saboni bi a o se ka ho ase esi dan na obi a ye de Ghana sika ama no $200 million se onkosi adan 200 unit na emom went me 5000 unit went me 5000 no o si 1005 no kwan so wanwie ebu ha ya mboso ebu o kwan pa foundation level ye nwie ya anya hwe na ye de na court na ye busa ye sika no ba bia kwa akodi a osuma wato ni genu a wo so onko yi ni mpie onpepa no ho onhohoro ne ho we one man position say tax force hatch ono na enda no
enti wo sansem we mu ne nsama hodo bi no kokuma wo mrahye bedwafie mu se hu behia pa se yete Commission of Inquiries na won ye hwehwemu edefa sede ye tatai ye kane aban mu adwumayefo bi.
For such incidents to occur under a government that once vehemently condemned the use of military force in political matters or for political ends is not only the height of hypocrisy, but also a shameful betrayal of democratic principles.
Anso wono mu a ode to Ghana aban wen mo se won mo munem ho bi obi biara wo hye kire bia no aban ne mbɔ ne ho modin ase obetimi ma ya che wo mo se de be ya mra no ene o mbedi se de se na efata.
While political persecution takes root in Ghana, this country belongs to all of us, and no administration has the right to weaponize state institutions against its political opponents.
Na menosunti majority leader Mahama Yariga na ene watchere mo sa national security coordinator Ajia Tumo se won mo na call kane finance minister Ken Oforiata efie yenti eyade se ode eho achawpa na nuhu ababonti akase no etosi.
Let me indicate to my colleagues on the other side that this side of the House remain committed to ensuring that this country is reset, that its institutions function properly, that its officials act in accordance with the law, and that the rights and liberties of every citizen are upheld.
Anso honomwa domkuma ne bano dani Alexander Fenyomakin enso we chire mu se one kane soafo a ohwe o Ghana sika sem so Ken Oforiata edinkomo na mprempren ya de ne o Ghana emu Emrepemu ordinary bachelor my emu na nhwemu bi wose kosubia no etumi akoso.
Within reasonable time, I'm sure he would come. I will also engage the office of the special prosecutor, engage constructively, assure him and his office that if there was any miscommunication, I, as a leader of my side, is assuring him that the man will make himself available. He left the country with permission. He would come, and if there is anything that has to be investigated, he will make himself.
Yamongra Yensan for Fromo, na National Service Authority in Penofonso, and a can Sisudia Biomo say, Nia one mobile bia ma a National Service Secretary Authority. Ejane na so ghost names no media wo mu ni ho so din wo mu ni ade be ye free ho no omobehwe so ombeye
ye bo modern ko auditor general ho f the cartoon enim findings are preliminary findings an ye nya ena ya san so afro so omombra no ye den omombra na omoma mehwe aniama mu a ye ahihye ade no mu ahwe ne kumasibre ye ne national security force so ekodi nkita ho ye ne BNI anase NIB force so ekodi nkita ho minim say ye ne other private audit firms so ye den edi nkita ho say aside the government there be no let's also get the private side so na ye ntumi ye den enkambo ni ye nhwe say ye betumi ahye bebia problem ne kese na iden efri na ye tumi esia no kwan
eno echi no Ruth said o sand to just say enese oni e ka say National Service Authority ensetimi aka sika bia omanfo de wonka beye bosome bebria etwemu no wono mo betua ni nyina ama wono mo a enche bia wono mo nsa ebeka
yeah, by say 3 weeks pemu na yeden. Yeah, well, this is the 16th day. Na Yankupon aye yadomo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ashe na Honorable Finance Minister ashe na yedi sikano atum ye kase enra enyumre enra all the way from enra ne enra echi nyina no ye accounts department omanda ye gina omo so a omo so omo agepenia omo eye ho adwuma gidigidi.
Also for ya washo education so Haruna Idruso de to achechefo nyina nim se won ho ekwan e betumi aboa e ma nkra ba wani ma won fere won suro na no betumi aka ho bi aboa ma ya ne ade kire ayakono.
Very honored that you have decided as general sponsors to support the Teachers Award. Its significance lies in the fact that you are impacting the life of students both in the classroom and in their long-term success. Whether they will succeed or not hinges on the quality of our teachers. To our teachers, create positive atmospheres of engagement for our people and our students.
And which no registrar of the National Teaching Council no Dr. Christian Adepoku and so the Abosabodian Sem Ecomo one I ka with Tibuma what did you make share so say a bit me a bosh of some crying ama what one who Ashemobi.
Our revered sponsors, we appreciate you because you know the value of education and what our teachers go through to deliver the quality we expect. We appreciate you because you love teachers and you never forget that you are all where you are today because of us, the teachers. Our sponsors, we appreciate you because of your diverse support that are so beautiful and invaluable.
About time bia warmo makochra wasi ewi akire waye kede won sato so no ene whatever one more the one akokot bono mantam no emu ede atitu kase no edeba
awofo a omomma eye exams eye in last waye exams a omoye ya omo say enyama bi akosunti omo withhold results na MC parents no etna say ehwe say ntichiremu a waye kede ba no entasum no after omo invite omo ma ba office no omo hu say ese omo ba court ti ye ba court ne ya application ade ba ye friend say mandamus
and wachi about time so the source say
yeah to say almost on the 28th of this month no Andrew no more release results no yes so my message we family media for so say ye de fa mo so se waye kifo mosion ka mo na ya nkwala na omo with their omo resource no omo hold no omo twa ba ko mo a ye ne omo bedi ne nyunu
efiri bi ese 2 weeks ni e sha ase ene omo eye kikikiki no omo sha ase omo release mathematics emma enkola ne bi no na we di pefe se de ye ka se waye only evidence bia no na wo hold exams ne keke no ye no kre
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be ma kwan anopei ye de asiase dan koma wo mre no wada agya wo de fam ye wada wo ma de bonkrata online de no so ye de to so ye basisia